you have announced various schemes as a part of.
देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर has announced Swachhata Hi Mohim
Correct.
and also Angarika 2025, housing for all, and several other schemes. Several other schemes. So what basically, I was just talking and trying to say that every dignity of labor and even a Safai Karmachari and has to be given that type of respect. This was said from the Red Fort by the Honorable Prime Minister. Today on the occasion of the Prime Minister's birthday, the 75th birthday, I only pray that God gives him more strength to give us more direction and vision. His vision we are able to implement here. We have also initiated today under the government headed by the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. We in Goa here have initiated under urban development award of around 10 lakh, 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs for municipalities internally, so that we are able to, the best municipality that which is the cleanest municipality, will have little lenient as far as parameters are concerned. When competition is across the country in the world where parameters are fixed, in the country where parameters are fixed for the government of India, awards are fixed, states compete with each other, cleanest cities, aspiring municipalities. So basically on those lines, and second thing we have assured that whichever comes first, we will allot a fund of at least 2 crores from G-Suda for some good development project in that particular area. So this is how we want to move forward. We have taken this very seriously and we are working and ensuring that all of us, all the municipalities, all the chairpersons, all the members, everybody's contribution, not that I am a minister or somebody else is holding some position, but we all are equals. What the Prime Minister has taught us is that we are all working towards ensuring that we serve humanity in a very sincere manner.
सर तुम्ही आणि काय केले म्युन्सिपालिटी वर्कर्सांक हेल्थ चेकअप फ्री करतले
चेकअप फ्री म्हणून हांवें सांगला GMC कडेन आमी सगळे सफाई कर्मचाऱ्यांची आमी लिस्ट घेतले आनी तांकां एक्झिक्युटीव चेकअप एन्युअली एक्झिक्युटीव चेकअप आमी करतले तांकां कितेंय गरज देर बी स्पेशली कार्ड इशूड बाय द हेल्थ सर्विसीस इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ द इन्शुरन्स पार्ट ऑल दॅट बट वी वील सी दॅट एक्स्ट्रा केअर इज टेकन स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द सफाई कर्मचारी.
केन्ना ह्या म्हयन्यान बीन काय
म्हाका एक 10, 15, 20, 30 इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक तरी दी. तुवें आतांच विचारल्यार हांवें आतांच सांगलां तुवें आतांच करता हांव.
ओके थँक्यू सर.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.